everyone, Stella here. Today we're going to learn all about the Lynx Influencer Program. I recently applied to become a Lynx influencer and my application was accepted. So I want to tell you how easy it is to also apply. And to learn more about how to do that, I decided to make this tutorial. So it kind of explains how it works and the approval process. Now keep in mind they're requesting that you have at least 5,000 followers on social media. So that should be the first question you ask yourself. Hey, do I have 5,000 followers? If you don't have 5,000 followers, then you probably shouldn't apply because you won't be accepted most likely. They are going to be particular about that, so just keep that in mind. But if you do have 5,000 followers on social media, and I think that's combined, so you could have like Instagram followers and Twitter followers or whatever, then go ahead and definitely apply because this is going to be a fun ride. I can tell you it's been so exciting so far. And I almost left out the most crucial part is that for each person that uses your referral link, you get one Lynx token for that. And that goes directly into your wallet. It's instant. So the minute they sign up using your referral link, you get the Lynx tokens right away. You have to be a Lynx influencer in order to get the rewards from using your referral link. And that's because in the very beginning, they opened it up to everyone and there was like massive abuse. I think one person had 6,000 accounts or something that they were like funneling. It was just crazy. So the Lynx team was really smart. They decided, hey, let's make this influencer program and get the Lynx tokens to people that actually have followers and an audience. And here's the actual application. Now it's very easy, simple. On this first part, they're asking for your real name. And also the next part is your email. So go ahead and put your regular email that you use. And it's asking for your Lynx username. Now, if you don't have a Lynx account, I'm going to show you how to do that in the next video. So it's asking for your Twitter followers and then just basically anything that you have to tell about your reach because it's important for them to know like how many people follow you. As I was making this video, I realized that many of you may not even know what Lynx is. Lynx is like the user-friendly gateway to a new internet where you can actually send tokens to your friends and earn crypto for playing games and for chatting on the new app called Chirp. Now let's just explore the wallet. This is where your transactions are. So like if someone sends you a token or something, it'll show up in there. And this next area is apps. So these are where you can play games and earn Lynx for free just by playing them. We're going to go to Chirp here in a second after we explore. This is your invite section, so copy that link and then send it to your friends on Twitter, Facebook, in an email, whatever. You're going to copy that link right there. And then that last thing is support. So if you have tech support needs, then you can send them an email directly. So let's go back to the apps section because that's where I've been spending a lot of my time playing those games, Alien Invasion, and then on Chirp. So just click on Chirp, and it works a lot like Twitter, and you're already in. The wallet allows you to just go in and start earning right away. And you can see there on the left, there's your notifications. So it tells you who commented and who sent you money or whatever. So like a like in there is 0.01 Lynx. So those are the amounts I just earned from people liking my content. The next part is the feed. Now the feed is basically all the newest posts. So from everyone, you'll see like, hey, what does someone post right away? The latest one that will show you that. Home is if you get 3 likes or more, you will appear on the home page. So like it kind of separates the stuff that didn't get any likes from the stuff that does get likes. And then we're going to go to the leaderboard. And I'm currently number 2, which is hilarious because Corey, man, he was fast and furious. He passed me within 2 days. So that about wraps it up for today. If you want to go and submit a Lynx influencer application, go to lynxwallet.io. If you have any questions, just tag me on Twitter at StellaBell or find me on Chirp at Stella. And I will see you next time. Have fun. Bye-bye.